PearWood Hair Color is being promoted as a simple way to cover gray hair while also nourishing and conditioning your hair. The website says the color builds with every wash and claims it can completely cover gray hair in just 15 minutes. It also highlights botanical ingredients like He Shou Wu, Panax Ginseng, and ginger root, while saying the formula contains no ammonia, no PPD, and no parabens. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. So, is PearWood Hair Color actually legit, or are some of these claims too good to be true? The first red flag is the suggestion that PearWood can restore your natural hair color. Covering gray hair and restoring the natural production of pigment are two very different things. A color shampoo may deposit pigment onto the hair shaft and make gray hair appear darker, but that doesn't mean it has reversed the biological process that causes hair to turn gray. Another concern is the use of botanical ingredients as evidence for the product's claims. PearWood highlights ingredients such as He Shou Wu, ginseng, dong quai, ginger root, and biota leaf. These ingredients may have traditional uses or individual research behind them, but that doesn't prove the finished PearWood formula can reverse gray hair. Ideally, we want clinical studies testing the actual product in real users. The 15-minute gray coverage claim also needs some context. Fast color coverage may be possible with a color depositing product, but cosmetic coverage is not the same as reversing gray hair. If the product is depositing color onto the hair, that color can naturally fade with washing. PearWood also emphasizes that it's ammonia-free and PPD-free. While that may sound reassuring, it doesn't automatically make the product irritation-free or allergy-free. Other coloring ingredients and botanicals can still cause reactions in some people. And finally, the claim that it's safe for sensitive scalps is quite broad. Everyone's skin is different, so a patch test is still important. Overall, PearWood may work as a cosmetic gray coverage product, but the stronger claims about restoring natural hair color need much more evidence. So before buying, check the full ingredient list, safety information, return policy, and independent customer reviews. Based on the claims alone, I'd recommend some caution rather than taking the marketing at face value.